In this video, we're going to be talking about how the metric system is set up. Now, you might ask, what is the metric system? Well, the United States uses not the metric system. The United States uses the customary system, which uses like feet, yards, inches, gallons, quarts, pints, and what's the one I'm missing? Pounds, tons. Okay, this is the US. And we're the only country that uses that system or these units of measurement. The rest of the world uses the metric system. So when the rest of the world is measuring distance, they don't use inches and feet and yards. They use meters. When the rest of the world is measuring mass or how heavy something is, they don't use pounds and tons. They use grams. And when the rest of the world is measuring liquid, they don't measure with cups and pints and quarts and gallons. They measure with liters. So the unit of measurement for the rest of the world, and particularly when you get into sciences, is meters, grams, and liters. Now, there are a lot of different distances and weights and volumes of liquid that need to be measured. So we don't just use one unit of meters, grams, or liters. We have these prefixes that attach to the front of the unit depending on how big, how far, or how much of the substance is that we are measuring. So kilo is a prefix that means 1,000. So we use kilometers or kilograms or kiloliters when we're measuring something that is going to be really big. Hecto means 100, so we use hectometers, hectograms, or hectoliters when we're measuring something medium big. Deca means 10, so decameters, decagrams, decaliters are used when we measure something kind of normal big, small big. And then we have our just one unit. Then when we need to measure things that are small, a decimeter, decimeter, decigram, deciliter is 1/10 of a unit, whereas a centimeter is 1/100th of a unit, or a centigram or a centiliter is 1/100th of a unit. And then milli means 1,000th, so that would be a millimeter, a milligram, a milliliter, and that means 1,000th of a unit. So you can see we can measure something very big up here down to something very small down at the bottom. And it's just using the powers of 10. Whether we're measuring distances, mass, or liquid, it's all using powers of 10 to convert from a big distance or a big measurement to a small measurement. I hope this helps in our foundation of the metric system. Watch the next video to understand how to convert within the metric system.